Congratulations if you live in the state of Florida and want to find out how to file for an unclaimed fund search of your own name. Here's how you do it. You've been brought to this page so you can search your name. Simply click the big green box that says search for unclaimed property. Then another window will come up and they will ask you if it's a person or it is a business. So let's go with person. And let's go with Jones. And let's go with Robert. And these are just names I'm making up. I'm not putting in a city. But then you search and it will tell you, okay, no money found. Oh, because I had it wrong. See? Even I do it wrong. Jones. Robert. Now we should pop up something. Okay, so here we go. In the state of Florida, it's a little bit different. They don't give you the amounts that are owed. So for this one, let's click on that. It said Robert Jones lived at 842 Avenida Carrata, apartment 201 in Claremont, Florida. The reporting entity is Morgan Stanley and Company and is unclaimed dividends, like if you have an investment. So you would go to hit claim. Now you want to make sure it's you. I am the person, your legal heir, representative, guardian, trustee, power of attorney. Let me see what the other ones are. Power of attorney, business, or business dissolved. Simply check I am the person and then let's move forward. For state of Florida, this is what you're going to need. Your full name, postal mailing address, where you want the check to be sent to, telephone numbers, email addresses. They're going to want an official state issued ID, a driver's license, or a government issued document like a passport, your date of birth, social security number, and or tax identification number. Now, the state of Florida is a little bit different. They do allow private investigators to assist people in getting their funds, but they really frown on companies that are trying to charge you a fee just to get your own money back. I don't do that. I put together this book so that you can access this information free of your own will. There are 3 other buttons here. Click here if you were contacted about unclaimed property, and it will give you more information. Kind of a Q&A session. Click back. Click here to contact the Division of Unclaimed Property. It'll tell you exactly what to do. And then if you want to start, if you started a claim and you want to check your status, you can check your status here. But all roads lead to this button right here. You'll receive an email with a confirmation number in it, a claim number, along with a direct link to upload the documentation that they require from you. Make sure you have all your previous addresses written down prior to filing a claim so that when you're searching, you can match up your name to an address you lived at or you think you may have lived at. Other than that, best of luck. I hope you get something back out of this. If you get a refund, send me a message and let me know how long it took and how much you got back.